Have you ever wondered what the loudest sneeze in the animal kingdom sounds like? Sea lions are the unsuspected sneeze champions. These playful marine mammals don't just clear their noses, they announce their presence with a honking sneeze that echoes off the waves. Their sneezes can be so dramatic, it's as if they're auditioning for a marine musical. Imagine a crowd of beachgoers laughing while a sea lion lets out a sneeze that could rival a foghorn. It's all in a day's work for these adorable clowns of the coast.